Today we're going over the crocodile breath exercise. So this is an important exercise as we're training the breathing movement pattern. It's probably the first one that we'll add in, and what we like about it is that as we lay face down on the ground, we're taking a deep breath in, expanding that belly, and why it's such a great exercise is you can really feel when you're performing it right, because when that belly expands, you'll feel your whole body kind of rise up off the ground. So see what I mean? We're gonna come and just relax right on our stomach. We're gonna stack our hands on top of each other and rest our forehead on our hands like that. And then we're just gonna do a deep belly breath exercise. So what it'll be is an inhale, 4 seconds in, expanding that belly, and then let it naturally relax nice and slow, about 4 seconds out as well. So what it'll look like is you're here, deep breath in, and again, expand through the belly, trying to keep it out of the chest. And then a 4-second exhale, let it naturally relax. And again, when you're doing it right, and you feel that belly expand, it'll lift that whole body up off the ground and relax. So there you have it. That's crocodile breathing. Thanks for watching.